First time use preparation. 1. Start by installing the propane tank. Securely attach the propane tank to the regulator valve at the base of the grill. 2. Get ready to light. Always open the lid before lighting. Make sure all burner control knobs are turned to the off position. 3. Turn on the gas. Slowly open the valve on your propane tank. 4. Alight the burner. Press down and turn the control knob for the burner. You want to light to the max position. Press the igniter button 2 to 3 times, allowing about 1 second between presses. 5. If the burner doesn't light. If the burner isn't lit within 5 seconds, turn the knob back to off. Wait at least 5 minutes to let any accumulated gas dissipate before trying again. 6. Adjust the flame. Once the burner is lit, you can turn the knob counterclockwise to lower the flame to your desired cooking temperature. 7. How to turn off the grill. When you are finished cooking, turn the knob to the max position, then push down and rotate clockwise to the off position. Dual's own cooking feature. The left and right burners can be controlled independently, allowing you to create different temperature zones for perfectly cooked food every time. You're ready to grill. Once the flame is lit, release the knob and begin cooking.